Alright, having a weird problem with my truck. Check this out. Okay, door's locked, right? The key fob unlocks, right? Hit lock. Okay. Unlocks, right? No big deal. Get in. Put the key in the ignition, right? And watch this guy. Let's see if we can get that right angle here. That's it. When I turn it over, that's all it does. If I wiggle the key, watch this. It's going nuts, right? I'll leave it alone for a second. This is when I think the radio usually turns on. Nope. Haven't touched anything else. It just keeps running like this. Getting a clicking noise from down this way. That's when the radio turns on. Alright, turn that off, turn that off. I'm going to turn it back on, try to start it now. See, everything looks fine here, right? Everything looks like it's ready to start. And then I try it again, and I'll just get a clunk. Whole thing starts over, and now it won't do anything. Oh, yes it will. It's just very erratic.